Hi, it's Yael Abouhalkah of the Kansas City Star's editorial page, and this protein-packed egg represents the Healthy Kansas budget of 2012, when it was on its way to having $700 million in cash reserves. Then Kansas Governor Sam Brownback and the legislature decided they would crack open the budget and scramble up a big tax cut surprise for Kansans. Then lawmakers decided to feed the tax cuts to businesses and LLCs and predicted they would create lots of jobs for Kansans. And the businesses lapped up all of the tax cuts. Unfortunately, the tax cuts slashed hundreds of millions of dollars in state revenues, imperiling schools, roads, state pensions, meanwhile waiting for the jobs to appear. Teddy, Laney, how are you guys doing at creating jobs? No, not wagging tails, creating jobs. Well, that's disappointing because in 2015, Brownback had hoped to create 25,000 new jobs. In reality, the state gained only 6,900. Now it's early 2016. Governor Brownback says he will not rescind the tax cuts. Cash reserves are down to a big fat zero. For the future, that means the Kansas budget likely will remain a big fat mess. Thanks for watching. Teddy, Laney.